Hi guys, Seven Unicorns here, and today I am gonna be showing you this slime here. Let me show you. Let's go over to it. If you're noticing this is, it's a light, but you'll see what that is for after this. So let's turn it back around. Put it right there. And then take this light, puddie out. So I'm gonna take this light, and now let's go. So we'll be in the dark closet, sorry. Don't mind the messiness. Okay. Guys, I'm in here. So I have my light. It's like, okay. So I have my slime, watch. It says hi. Coolest slime in the world, right? Let's make it darker. So, see. Oh, okay. Oh, you guys landed on my foot, and that hurt very badly. Oh, you guys are upset. Okay, so I'm right here. Worst video ever. I say that literally all the time. Here, let me do what I was gonna read. Oh, this is so much. Hi, so who cares? Okay. Okay, squish. Guys, we're gonna be squishing glowing slime here. Yeah, let's make it glowing. Guys, if you know where I got it from the Frenchy Science Fair. They have like a ball over the stairs, and you can control it. But I don't know why I'm doing that, guys. If you want to know what this is, well, I'm not gonna tell you because it's none of your business. Why did I even bring it up, guys? Want to know the cool thing about this light? You can do this. You will look weird in real life. It will like change the color of your teeth. With that. Okay, so I need more bigger closets. Sorry, guys. Okay. Sorry about the background. Okay. We're gonna smush this. Guys, can I tell you what happened? So, I just got back from Girl Scouts like a couple hours ago. And we had a sleepover at the Da Vinci Science Center. And I took some, 5 girls with me in my mom's car. In my mom's car, boom, boom. So we were in my mom's car, boom, boom. And we got to the Da Vinci Science Center in an hour. And all the other girls were there in their troop. we went and we did some science things, and then there's like a giant ball hanging, and you can go climb all over it. My friends were terrified, but that was my second time there, so I wasn't terrified. I scraped my knee on it, and it was bleeding, and I didn't cry. It hurt a lot, but I didn't cry. And I know someone who's a big crybaby, but I'm not gonna tell you. I have a purple face. Okay. I'm in my mom's car. Let me make this bigger. So let's see if I can fit this word right here. Oh, I messed up. Flip it. That's why we have the other side. Slime. Wait. This isn't right. Guys, what is your favorite video? This or my old potato chip video? Like rotten potato chip. Ew. So, I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, and if you don't like it, thumbs down, I don't care. And if you like it, thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.